In this video, I'm going to walk through how to format data in a pivot table in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a Mac computer. First, click the column heading for the field that you want to format. In the ribbon at the top of the screen, then click Pivot Table Analyze. Click on Field Settings, which is under the Pivot Table Analyze in the ribbon. In the Pivot Table field box, click on Number Format towards the bottom. In the Format Cells dialog box that then appears, select the number format that you want and any options. Here I'm selecting the accounting format with 0 decimal places. Click OK twice to close the dialog boxes. The field is now formatted. Repeat for any other fields. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.